What's going on YouTube? We have the Avalanche and the Wilds. It is game 3 of the NHL playoffs. Here we fucking go. Here we fucking go. I got some catching up to do. So I'm finna give y'all the last 4 games. I think this game, it was another game, and then 2 games from yesterday. Yeah. And then I think there's a game that happened today, but I'll probably do that reaction tomorrow. Yeah. I hope y'all had a good Mother's Day weekend. But anyways, let's watch the Avalanche whoop some ass, because I already know these motherfuckers gonna take care of business per usual. Oh shit, woo! They lead 2-0 right now. The only one I do know that I think I got spoiled from, I think I know that the Hurricanes advanced already. They completed the sweep. I think that's the only game I got spoiled, because I was scrolling on Instagram and the fucking bracket came up and my eyes just locked in the middle, and I was like, oh, the Hurricane. I ain't kind of look at anything else. But yeah, I think that was expected though. Low key, it might be a Hurricanes and Avalanche. That's what my comments all be saying.
Into the lineup here for game 3 for
the Avalanche. They just look so fucking fast every time I'm watching them. It's like these motherfuckers could do no wrong.
Wedgwood has it. Couldn't get to the puck. Makar in front of him, taking it back though. Kaprizov.
Come on now, Wilds. At least get one. Get one. Get one. Don't let them beat your ass like that. Yeah, they getting a lot of opportunities.
Surveying. Brock Faber cycles it. Kaprizov. Being tracked by Taves. Spinning.
Nope. Good save again.
Tried to swat at it. Puck was midair, but it comes out and Hughes controls. Quinn Hughes, 11 points in 8 games these playoffs.
God damn. All these opportunities, man. Y'all better score.
Hunt hands it off.
There you go. This goalie is on timing right now. Damn, is the whole first, I'm about to say, is the whole first period going to be all about the damn Wilds? And just like that, oh my fucking God, good save.
But this is the Avalanche. They can
like, wow, y'all dead ass have to win both games at home. Y'all cannot let them get no more wins, especially at home. Even if they go up like 3-1, it's GG's.
He needs a breather, said John Hines before the game. He's been right so far, guys.
Back to Makar at the blue line. Kadri once again, elbow feed.
Backdoor pass. Well, I thought he was going to pass it to the dude on the other side of the goal.
And now McKinnon looking. One-timer blast from Makar. Brock Faber.
Ooh, good defense. Good defense first period.
Colorado zone, now he's waiting.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. W patience. But he just came down the fucking ice flying. W patient, one zip.
Faber and Hughes on the ice, little change. Goldie comes onto the ice. And then Kaprizov
came straight down my ice and just flew past everybody.
Nice little stop up by Faber to buy some time. It was actually Kaprizov.
Hughes, saucer pass, Zuccarello. Gets it right back, shooting.
Oh shit. The goalie don't got his stick. The goalie don't got his stick. Still on
the hunt. Quinn Hughes takes a look, shoots, scores.
Damn. 2-0. Okay, the Wilds looking good. They looking good now.
And then Quinn Hughes go to work. I mean, he picks up this puck, takes his time to the middle. This is
I thought he was going to pass it to the dude on the left. He just went straight for the shot.
You knew he was going to step up in game 3. The first game in front of his home fans.
Goalie didn't have his stick, none of that. Second period. 2-0. Wilds is up.
Drawing from it in the Dallas series. They lost the first 2 games and won 3 straight. Matt Boldy. Down the feet. Kaprizov. And Wedgwood saves the day for Colorado.
This one here, nice movement around for Boldy. No look pass. He looks like he's going to bring the puck back to the middle, but zips it down low to Kaprizov pretty quickly. He's waiting for a quick little move, backhand to forehand. The stuff saved by Wedge, but more importantly, look at him get the glove down on this one after it bobbles around.
His teammates almost fucked that up for him.
And Boldy wins it. Hughes making moves at the blue line. Boldy takes it, challenged. Kaprizov wires a pass across. Zuccarello shot off of Taves.
Yeah. Good shit, Wild. Good shit. All right, this is looking like y'all game. 3-0. Second period. Still a lot of time, though.
Beautiful pass by Kaprizov. Lots of pressure here by the Avalanche. That pass right there puts it through 3 sticks of the Avalanche. Kaprizov does. Zuccarello with the quick wrister. Little deflection off of Taves and great hand-eye by Ryan Hartman. He's been all around the net in this series. They changed it up, had 2 defensemen in game number 1. With Faber and Hughes on the power play, they changed to having Hartman in the front of the net, and it's paid off with a power play goal. Their second of the game as he bats this one on the backhand side past Wedgwood. And taking a long look at this one by Hartman, it's crossbar height when a puck is put in.
Godley down low this time. Landeskog back to Godley. Landeskog near the net trying to force it home.
God damn! Nah, man. No way.
Play goal, and the Avalanche are back in it.
Now they're going to challenge this.
Yeah, because that's crazy.
Because there's no question Landeskog
That's crazy.
bulldozes over.
He got pushed into the shit.
Behind by Damon Hunt. A huge effort not to get bulldozed in. But
I'm saying, man. I mean, these playoffs, I've been seeing a lot of questionable shit, man. Cause, wait a minute. Ooh. What do y'all think? Okay, for motherfuckers who watch hockey, you know, this is like my second year in this motherfucker. You know, so I'm still getting adjusted to certain shit rules. I'm not really sure about a lot of shit because I've been seeing some questionable shit. But I ain't gonna lie, I think this goal stands because the Wild teammate was the one who pushed Avalanche into the fucking goalie. He pushed him into him, which caused the goal. So I say the goal stands in my opinion. What y'all think? Cause shit.
Man, there it is right there. You see Hunt kind of cross-checks him as he's driving this puck into the blue paint.
Look at number 48. Look at number 48. Look at it. And then Buddy just had a wide open shot.
No chance for Volstead there after that happened.
No way this don't stand right.
This is a goal on the ice. They have counted this a goal. After that contact.
No way this don't stand right.
Push from behind. He had already made contact with Volstead first, though.
What? No, he didn't.
And it's tapped home
He didn't make contact with the goalie first. No, he didn't.
We'll see if they decide to
Oh, yeah, they let it stand. Good call. God damn, I know your neck hurt. Ooh. Shit. Oh, wow. Hey, she is going crazy. She is going crazy. Oh my God, bro. It must be a nigga on the team she fucking. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. She really into this motherfucker.
He already took it.
eyes closed, mouth open, banging on the fucking thing.
It's actually not Parker Kelly. It's on the tangle between both guys trying to hit him. He goes down a little awkwardly. Looked worse live than it was on the replay.
Yeah, this is over. This is over. Wilds won this one. Ooh, good win, good win. Good fucking win at home.
Attacking off the rush.
Now, if they win the next one, oh my God. W for them.
The first, second round.
Third period, down 3. Avalanche, can you pull a comeback? I think the fuck not.
Johansson, nice wheels. Comes through, stops at the wall. Faber. Johansson up. You're off the iron.
Woo.
Open up hockey here, and puck's just being chucked to the middle. This is a great chance for.
Oh man. Yeah, that's game. Good shit, Wilds. Good fucking shit. Cool. I thought y'all was gonna get swept. Now y'all gotta win y'all next one at home. 5-1. GG. Good shit, Wilds. Because how the Avalanche was moving in the last other game, I for damn sure thought y'all was gonna get swept. For damn sure.
He says, all right, I'm going down. I'm tired of this one. He says, all right, I'm going down. I'm tired of this one.
Man. Cool. Now they have to win the next one now. I think since this was on the 9th, they played today, right? By the time y'all see this upload, because I'm uploading all the games I missed from the 9th and the 10th. So they might have just finished today, right? I don't know what's going on. I don't know what happened, but they got to clutch up. They got to clutch up. They got to clutch up. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Peace.